Looking for a fun and silly craft suitable for all ages? Making tin or aluminum foil hats is a simple and enjoyable activity with endless creative possibilities. Start by cutting a piece of foil about 36 to 40 inches long and fold it in half lengthwise. Wrap it around your head using your hands to secure the foil around your brow. Then shape the remaining foil above your head as you like. For two simple and classic tinfoil hat styles, you can try patting the foil down for a flat cap or squeezing it together to make a cone-like shape. If you find you don't have enough material to make the shape you want, you can always add additional foil as you go. For a more advanced project, you can make a tinfoil cowboy hat. Start with a longer piece of tinfoil, about 40 to 60 inches long, folding it in half for a sturdier base. Place the folded sheet of tinfoil over your head and press down to mold it to the shape of your head, gently curling the edges around your face and outward as you go, so the foil starts to resemble a large brimmed hat. Remove the hat from your head and put it on a flat surface where you can use your hands to gently press the wrinkles out of the foil that's not domed. This is the part that will be the brim of the cowboy hat. Then trim the foil edges using scissors to carefully cut an oval around the dome to create the brim of your hat. Bend and shape the foil while you cut, keeping in mind that the closer to the dome you cut, the smaller your hat's rim will be. Finally, curve the edge of the foil rim upwards on the sides. You can also add some divots on the top of the hat for that classic cowboy look. Whether you choose to craft a realistic aluminum cowboy hat or a simple and whimsical foil creation, this project is sure to spark imagination and provide hours of playful fun.